Just focusing on you, Mayor Vico. Ano ba para kay Mayor Vico ang ibig sabihin ng good governance?
Yung good governance o mabuting pamahala, ang importante rito, nagde-deliver ng resulta. Hindi pwedeng sinasabi lang yan. Kung sabihin ko lang po na, uy, good governance, good governance. In fact, I don't even use the term that often, to be honest. Yung mga supporters, yes. Pero sa totoo, hindi talaga yan pwedeng sinasabi lang. Kailangan nakikita ng tao, kailangan nararamdaman ng tao. So, resulta. Nagkataon lang na ang focus talaga natin pag nagsasalita ako, pag sa kampanya, focus namin hindi lang yung ano, kundi yung paano, the why and the how behind what we do things. So, pakita namin, pakita natin sa tao yung ano ba yung mga ginagawa natin behind the scenes. And I think through this, we elevate the level of discourse also in politics. Hindi yung mababaw lang, hindi yung ano lang yung gustong marinig o tingin namin gustong marinig ng tao. Kundi we take the time really to explain bakit importante ang transparency, bakit importante yung people's participation in governance. And I think that the people have shown here in Pasig, we've shown that if we elevate the level of discourse, if we take them seriously, then they will take us seriously as well. And the results show that they appreciate this.